In a bold move, President Donald Trump has issued a stark warning to Apple: shift iPhone production to the United States or face a 25% tariff on devices sold domestically. This announcement has sent shockwaves through the tech industry and raised pressing questions about the future of iPhone manufacturing. Currently, Apple relies heavily on overseas production, with the majority of iPhones assembled in China and an increasing number in India. This global supply chain has allowed Apple to maintain high profit margins while keeping consumer prices relatively stable. However, the proposed tariffs could disrupt this balance. Analysts suggest that if Apple were to relocate its iPhone manufacturing to the US, the cost of an iPhone could soar to as much as $3,500. This dramatic increase stems from higher labor costs, the need to build new manufacturing facilities, and the challenge of establishing a domestic supply chain for components. Facing this dilemma, Apple has several options. Absorb the tariff costs. Apple could choose to absorb the 25% tariff, which would significantly impact its profit margins, but keep consumer prices unchanged. Pass costs to consumers. Alternatively, Apple might pass the additional costs onto consumers, leading to higher retail prices for iPhones in US. Increase production in other countries. Apple could further diversify its manufacturing by increasing production in countries like India and Vietnam, potentially mitigating the impact of US tariffs. Negotiate with the government. Engaging in dialogue with policymakers to seek exemptions or alternative solutions could be another avenue for Apple. This situation places Apple at a crossroads, balancing political pressures with economic realities. The company's decisions in the coming months will not only affect its bottom line, but also set a precedent for how tech giants navigate the complex interplay between global supply chains and national policies. Stay tuned as we continue to monitor this developing story and its implications for consumers and the tech industry at large.